Hi guys, good morning. This is Wendy from Xiamen GTL Power System. Welcome back to our new show. Today I want to introduce 18 cubic meters per minute air delivery, 70 bar working pressure, electric screw air compressor. This is YE3315M motor, 132 kW, 1480 RPM, 690 voltage, 3-phase, 50 Hz IP66 protection. The volt efficiency 95.6%. Starting echo master. This air filter for air end. This 2-stage GE famous spin air end. It is suitable use ambient temperature 8 to 35 degrees. Atmospheric pressure 84.8 kPa. Plateau area 1,475 meter. Altitude. The high quality of the air end has cast the international quality of GTL air compressor. This part intake valve, oil separator. This is medium pressure valve. This gas pipe through radiator after cooling then to exhaust pipe, water separator. This oil pipe, if temperature is normally, the oil to air end directly. If temperature high, through the thermostat valve will open the oil to radiator after cooling, recycle to the air end. Let's see electric control cabinet. This is ABB breaker control AC power input, smart in DC 24 voltage power supply, AC 690 24 voltage transformer, relay. This part for motor cable connect copper. 2 ABB contacts. This emergency button, this our control, we use MAM 6080. It can support a variety of motor options. The 7-inch color screen display with a keyboard and touch function. Support real-time power consumption and calculate power consumption measurement. With timing start and stop function selection, timing pressure function selection. Highly integrated, highly reliable, and cost-effective. Okay, today I'm finished this show. Besides compressor, we also manufacture digital generator and lighting tower. If you have any interest or any questions, welcome you contact us or visit our website www.cngtl.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.